Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students and professionals creating presentations, tuning in. Mastering a few PowerPoint shortcuts can significantly improve your productivity and presentation workflow. Here's something helpful for you: top PowerPoint shortcuts to work faster. Information from Youthbuddy. PowerPoint is one of the most widely used tools for creating presentations. Whether you are a student, teacher, employee, or business owner, learning shortcuts can help you work faster and more efficiently. Many users rely heavily on the mouse, but constantly switching between keyboard and mouse can slow down productivity. Keyboard shortcuts help simplify repetitive tasks and improve workflow. If you are new to PowerPoint, start by memorizing a few essential shortcuts. Ctrl+M creates a new slide, Ctrl+D duplicates a slide or object, and Ctrl+S saves your presentation. Ctrl+Z is used for undo, Ctrl+Y for redo, and Ctrl+P opens the print window. For presentations, F5 starts the slideshow from the beginning, while Shift+F5 starts directly from the current slide. When working with multiple shapes or images, Ctrl+G groups selected objects and Ctrl+Shift+G ungroups them. Beyond these basics, PowerPoint offers shortcuts for everyday editing tasks. Ctrl+C copies content, Ctrl+X cuts content, Ctrl+V pastes content, and Ctrl+A selects everything on the slide. You can also use Ctrl+F to find text and Ctrl+H to replace text throughout a presentation. Managing slides becomes much easier when you know a few navigation shortcuts. Ctrl+Enter moves to the next placeholder, Tab selects the next object, and Shift+Tab selects the previous object. For slide navigation, Page down moves to the next slide, Page up moves to the previous slide, Home jumps to the first slide, and End jumps to the last slide. Formatting shortcuts can also save a significant amount of time. Ctrl+B makes text bold, Ctrl+I applies italics, Ctrl+U underlines text, and Ctrl+E centers text. You can also adjust alignment using Ctrl+L for left alignment, Ctrl+R for right alignment, and Ctrl+J for justified text. Object management becomes easier with keyboard shortcuts as well. Arrow keys move selected objects, Shift+Arrow keys move them faster, and Control while dragging creates a copy of an object. When delivering presentations, slideshow shortcuts can help you present more confidently. During a slideshow, N or space moves to the next slide, P moves to the previous slide, and Escape ends the presentation. You can also press B for a black screen, W for a white screen, or enter a slide number followed by Enter to jump directly to a specific slide. Some function keys are also worth remembering. F1 opens help, F4 repeats the last action, F7 performs spell check, and F12 opens the save as window. A simple learning roadmap works best. Beginners should focus on creating, saving, copying, pasting, and undoing actions. Intermediate users should learn slide management, formatting, navigation, and object handling shortcuts. Advanced users should master grouping, slideshow controls, presentation delivery, and workflow optimization shortcuts. PowerPoint shortcuts may seem small, but they create a big impact on productivity. The more frequently you use them, the faster and more confidently you can create professional presentations. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.